morning, sir. Good morning.
Suprabhat. Honorable Principal Sir, Honorable Vice Principal Ma'am, distinguished teachers, present all parents, and lovely children. First of all, wishing you all a very happy and vibrant Independence Day. A day which basically reminds all of us the sacrifices of our citizens and freedom fighters. See, as far as the independence is concerned, this has been, of course, defined in many ways. One is past, of course, we all understand, and another is present. We have to get rid of certain things, right? And this is what is the independence. The moment we say that this is not good, this is not in line with my thought or with the thoughts of society, so we have to get rid of, right? And another part is future. We want to build a nation, a society, so we will have to get rid of certain things. And that is what is the independence. But before proceeding further, I really feel privileged and honored to be part of this program in two ways. One, after 57 years of my age on this planet, first time I got to know that the full national anthem is like this. So thank you very much. Honestly, I was not aware. So far, I heard that 52 seconds are for this. Now, day before yesterday only we got the guidelines from MHA, Ministry of Home Affairs, that 3 minutes and 10 seconds will be our the national song. After that, 52 seconds of national anthem, and then I think 15 or 30 seconds of Maharashtra or the respective state song. So thank you very much. And another is the first newspaper, the presentation as far as the new, I will say old newspaper presentation in two ways again. One is, this is a historical moment. Another, I really love reading newspaper. She knows that even if I am getting delayed for certain say meeting or activities, I just want to brush up with newspaper. So far, most of you might be knowing that news stands for North, East, West and South, but you might have not got the full form of paper. So paper stands for past and present event report. So whenever you are going through all these things, why we go or why we read all these things? Just because of two reasons, that whatever the thoughts are coming in our mind, immediately we should be in a position to differentiate what is good and what is bad. We have to get rid of bad part and we have to build the nation or society with the good part. That is what is there in true sense celebration of Independence Day. I know Kishan for almost 30-35 years. He is the man who used to be working inside the plant, but he was having certain patience. And most of the time I say that, specifically in school, whenever I am sharing certain things or my thoughts, I emphasize on three things. One is, you should be passionate. If you are not passionate, it's of no meaning. And this is the best platform as far as the school is concerned, from where you will start understanding about your passion. It's not like that none of us are born with specific things. These are inbuilt. Now certain things are inbuilt and and certain things are basically gets created. And in this whole process, teachers are the medium to basically recognize your talent or your say inbuilt talent, and then accordingly they nourish. So I think some of the kids I know them right from the beginning, when they are speaking so nicely Hindi, when they are not say their mother tongue is not Hindi, I really appreciate. That is what किसी को जब हम बोलते हैं तराशना, when you hone the skill of certain people, when you sharpen their talent, that is what is the platform. When you got a platform, now on this platform, if you have to build yourself or if you have to develop yourself, then there are only two things which basically will help you in making your progressive career. I will say career, it will be too early or to say too premature to use those kind of things, but even then I say because some of us are part of this process. One is discipline. I really emphasize on discipline part. Discipline doesn't mean that what exactly you have to talk, what you have to walk, and how basically you have to say certain things. See, discipline in all way is one thing, that whatever you are doing, there should be some logic. Without logic, I will say, वो एक indisciplined part हो जाता है. For example, if you have to get up at 5:30 in the morning or 6 o'clock in the morning, why? Answer is with you only, because you have to catch train or you have to go to the school. That process, the moment, if you have the logical thinking, that will tend you to be disciplined, because otherwise you will miss your objective, whatever you say, vision, mission, everything, goal, KRA, KPI. So, discipline in your eating habits, discipline in your reading habits, discipline in your watching TV, discipline on your study, discipline in your playing part will always make you a perfect man. And again, the platform will be right from your school. Second is communication. Nowadays, you might be hearing a lot of the things, whether say leadership skill or good leader, so and so, good say corporate managers and all those things. When you are going to communicate, I think again this is your school platform. You have to now get rid of certain things कि हमेशा आप सर बोल करके शुरू करो या नहीं, वो चीजें आएंगी, but your communication should be very crystal clear. What exactly you want to say. I do not know whatever I am saying. हरीश नाम था, अभी पता नहीं हरीश है, हाँ वो मोटू सा है. Whether he is understanding whatever I am sharing my part or whatever I am sharing, whether he is understanding or not. But may it be quite possible that at this moment, whatever I am trying to say may not be say appropriate for him. लेकिन यदि मुझे अपनी बात को उस तक भी पहुंचाना है, तो राइट फ्रॉम से सिलेक्शन ऑफ योर लैंग्वेज, आपकी भाषा का चयन, द वे यू हैव टू से, आपको तेज बोलना है या स्लो बोलना है, दैट इज नोन एज ए वॉइस मॉड्यूलेशन. वो सारी चीज़ों पे काम करना अभी से शुरू करना चाहिए, क्योंकि वर्ल्ड इज नाउ वेरी कॉम्पिटिटिव. मैं ऐसा इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ कि जो चीज़ें कल तक हमको ऑर्थोडॉक्स वे में लगती थी, अब इंडिपेंडेंस डे के दिन पर वी शुड rejuvenate ourselves and we should try to get rid of all those things. और उन सब चीज़ों से जब हम स्वतंत्र होते हैं, उन विचारों से स्वतंत्र होने की कोशिश करते हैं, तो ऑफ कोर्स देयर विल बी सर्टेन रेजिस्टेंस मे बी फ्रॉम योर पेरेंट, रेजिस्टेंस मे बी फ्रॉम योर सोसाइटी, नेबर्स, nation, whosoever you say. But if you are having logical thinking and if your logic is strong enough, then you will succeed. So thank you very much for your patient listening and giving me an opportunity. मैं राष्ट्रगान को घर पे जाकर के कम से कम 20 बार जरूर सुनूंगा, क्योंकि रियली दिस इज द थिंग जो मुझे बहुत सालों के बाद में पहली बार पता चली। आज ही मैं ऑफ कोर्स ये एक ज़माना है जब आप रील्स के थ्रू या छोटे छोटे शॉर्ट्स के थ्रू बहुत इंफॉर्मेटिव चीज़ें करते हैं। आप में से बहुत से लोगों को पता होगा कि मैं नाम फिर भूल गया हूँ, इसलिए मैं थोड़ा सा आपको कहूँगा। बट ये तिरंगा किसने बनाया, इसके ऊपर में बहुत एक 5 सेकेंड्स की वो रील होते हैं कि सो एंड सो ने तिरंगा बनाया, सो एंड सो ने गाना करा, सो एंड सो ने नेशनल एंथम या नेशनल सॉन्ग, ये सब चीज़ें की हैं। प्लीज़ बी इंफॉर्मेटिव, वहाँ से ही हमारी शुरुआत होती है ना। हम लोग इंडिया में इनोवेटिव बहुत कम हैं, क्योंकि वी फॉलो, मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम वी फॉलो। बचपन से हम कोई ना कोई जो हमें बताता है हम फॉलोअर बन जाते हैं। नाउ वी हैव टू बी लीडर। व्हेन यू हैव टू लीड, देन यू विल हैव टू एग्जिबिट। व्हेन यू विल हैव टू एग्जिबिट और डेमोन्स्ट्रेट सर्टेन थिंग, देन you yourself will have to do all those things. और वो शायद कहीं ना कहीं हमारे में बचपन से एक आदत हो जाती है, अरे गिव अप करो यार, इससे क्या होता है। वो गिव अप करने की जो हमारी सोच है, यू हैव टू गेट इट ऑफ दैट सोच। उस सोच पे हमको बाहर आना है कि नहीं, हम में एक जुनून होना चाहिए, हम एक पैशन होना चाहिए, कुछ जो भी करना है करो। और वो टिल 11th और 12th तक होता है, तो उसके बाद में फिर हम एक अगेन ट्रेंड में फंस जाते हैं। तो आज आपने हमारे साथी किशन को सम्मानित किया। आई एम रियली थैंकफुल टू यू। ही इज ट्रूली ए पर्सन जिसने अपनी उम्र का, अपने समय का, अपने घर परिवार का एक तरफ किया, लेकिन बहुत से एथलीट्स को दिया। व्हेन आई वाज नॉट हियर, इवन देन ही यूज्ड टू इन्फॉर्म मी कि दिस इज व्हाट हैज हैपेंड। ही माइट बी इन्फॉर्मिंग टू ऑल अदर्स जस्ट टू क्रिएट द अवेयरनेस। तो दौड़िए, पढ़िए और देश को बनाइए। वी हैव टू बिल्ड द नेशन। थैंक यू वेरी मच।